Hey, what's going on, everybody? I got the Battle Sound Skeletor from the 2000 series, and this is a really cool figure just because it looks cool and it features the voice of Alan Oppenheimer, the original voice for Skeletor in the 80s cartoon. And it takes batteries in the back. I just got the back off of it just to show you. So I just put new batteries in. Hopefully this works or whatever, but here we go.
Will be mine.
And you can also do the punch. Yep. There you go. Really cool figure.